another beautiful autumn afternoon here in Hanoi. I'm teacher Brett, back with you for another episode of Speak Up with Pasal. Today we'll interview one of our current students, ask a few questions about how she feels. Alright, come on down, thank you. How are you? Good. Can you introduce yourself to the audience?
Hey guys, my name is Vincent. I'm studying at Vietnam University of Commerce and my major is hotel management.
Oh, great, alright. Great, so how long have you been studying here at Pasal with us?
Yeah, I have learned in Pasal from over 2 months.
2 months?
Yeah.
Very good. And can you name some things that are really impressive about Pasal?
Okay, my first impression of Pasal is the friendliness of trainer and trainee and my friends in my class. Yeah. Moreover, Pasal's matter, it makes me enjoyable, comfortable during studying. They help me improve my teamwork skills. And my trainer and trainees, they're really responsive, really ready, and still enthusiastic. They completely different from teachers I have met.
That's great information. So can you let us know about some of your best memories while you studied here?
My best memory, I think it is when I gave my class a speech and I spoke in front of my class. It's my first time I have overcome my fear of speaking to more group. Yeah. Since then, I feel more confident. Specifically, I think Pasal makes me believe that I will succeed if I try my best.
Yeah, it's not always easy to overcome being shy speaking to a group for the first time.
Yeah.
Sure, that sounds great. I'm glad you had a wonderful time. So let's hope that in the future you get more experiences and each class you can build and build and build and your knowledge so you can use it more in the future.
Yes. Thank you.
Yeah, first, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Bye-bye. Thanks again. See you next time.
See ya.